Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm your teacher Miss Sidwat. I hope you all are fine. Now students, as you know, last week we have learned the answer of question number 1 from the lesson Namaz, and today we will learn the answer of question number 2. So get ready. And the question is, what are the timings of 5 prayers? And the answer is Fajr, before sunrise, Zohar, afternoon, Asr, late afternoon, Maghrib, just after sunset, and Isha, at night. Now repeat after me. Fajr, before sunrise, Zohar, afternoon, Asr, late afternoon, Maghrib, just after sunset, Isha, at night. So students, you have to revise the answer of question number 2 at home. So take care, Allah Hafiz, and bye-bye.